Big problems with the bonnet. This is similar to the problems we had on the bonnet of the green one, and we just got a new bonnet. This colour seems to be more difficult to get hold of. 843, I think the colour code is on this one, if anybody knows where we can get a bonnet. We do think we've located one. But hello, welcome back to the channel. You join me again today, not on the Defender, but on this Disco. As you know, we painted the top there. It's got dust all over it at the moment, but it came out really well. Nice and shiny, been polished, so it's blended in really well and all. So you are going to see that. That's brilliant. Now we couldn't find a bonnet, so what we've ended up doing is completely sanding this one down, so it's super smooth. Gone through all the lacquer and got that nice and smooth. So we're going to paint that. We're just getting the paint at the moment. 843. Still can't remember the name of the paint, but 843. So not a lot more has been done on the list because we've been rubbing that down. So I'll replace the bonnet. That's going to have to go to paint. That looks terrible. Wrote that with my left hand. So I'll paint the bonnet. So yeah, not that far with it at the moment. Watling bushes, they've arrived, so we're going to put them on. Ooh, I'll show you doing that because we've showed it a million times. But we're going to do the Watts bush links, should be today, so we'll do that. We're going to do a video on painting this bonnet. We're going to see how it comes out. Never painted anything this big that needs to be this good and shiny. Painted my Defender. That was with rattle cans, that came out pretty good. You can see there. Rust-Oleum, painted that with. Didn't even lacquer it, it's been painted for 2 years. It's actually stood the test of time. I've been off-roading in there, through bushes and things. Come out quite smooth, didn't polish it, didn't lacquer it, just straight. That's the Rust-Oleum finish, which is pretty shiny. So yeah, done that on that one. So what we'll do is we're going to get the bonnet off to paint it, put it on some trestles and paint it up, and hopefully we can get it nice and shiny. So we'll show you the video on that. Cut in a sec. Here's the bonnet, it's all rubbed down, all smooth. There is some welding going on in the background there, but the bonnet's all smooth. We've got the paint. We'll see how it comes out. I'm going to paint it with this, which is the right colour. That's this Land Rover red, but it's 843. And then we've got 2-pack primer, 2K primer, sorry, which is will go on top to make it shiny. So we'll paint it and we'll see if it comes out. See if we fix it or ruining it. Yeah, not primer, you dickhead. It's clear coat, that's what it is, not primer. We are going to primer it because it's all right in there, gone down to the steel. As you can hear, shaking paint. Completely missed me painting the first coat because we forgot. But there's the first coat with a rattle can. I'm leaving that 10 minutes just to dry and go a bit tacky. Then we'll put the next coat on. We're going to do 3 or 4 coats depending on how it comes out. You can see it's a bit patchy at the moment, but as we go over that with the coats, it should start covering well. And once we've got that done, we'll clear coat it, and then a couple of days we can polish it and it should come out a bit more like that up there, the shiny bit you can see. Should hopefully be a brilliant colour match for the rest of it and shine up nice. And we'll have to probably machine polish the rest of the car just to make it shiny and make it all match up. So we'll do another coat in a sec.
Action.
Right, so I'm going to chuck another coat on this now.
comedy kicked it off the the first coat we put on, I used the entire tin. I'm sure there's many people that tell me I'm doing it wrong, but this is all sprayed full colours in the past using a tin. And the balls come out okay, so this is how I'll continue to do it. That's the finger out. When you're spraying it, be careful you don't get a drip on your finger that drips on the paint, like that. I've got my finger too far over the end of the spray and it's building up on the end of my finger.
Right, we've done one coat of clear coat there, and it's starting to look pretty shiny. So one more coat of that, and then leave it 48 hours, and then get the polish on it. Polish all the imperfections out of the clear coat. I mean, you will get, like, especially if it's damp, you'll get quite a bit of orange peel start to turn up. But you can polish that out. It just means it's more time on the bonnet than we'd like to spend, but we'll polish it out. We'll get it as flat as possible, as shiny as possible, and save yet another one from going to the scrapper. As you can see, the welder's out there because we've been doing some welding under there. Please like and subscribe, and we'll continue fixing cars and keeping them on the road.
Like and subscribe.
Hello, baby girl. Shake it, shake it.
Yeah.
Right, we're just putting the final coat of clear coat on here. As you can see, it's pretty shiny. And like I said earlier, we can get rid of any imperfections after by polishing it. You can even spray it out and wet and dry it if you've got quite a lot of orange peel, which normally comes from moisture being in the air while you're painting. It has been raining a lot today outside. We have got the door open because of the fumes.
That is looking seriously glossy.
So this has got 3.5 tins of paint, 2 tins of clear coat. My glass can steam up, so I'll pass it up.
I'll have to see if we've got a before picture of it.
Yeah, there is one on there somewhere.
You can't see much now because the strip lights are reflecting on it.
Yeah. But we'll just put this on nice and thick without it running, just so we've got enough to polish. So this is the stuff you need to use, 2K, because you can really polish this, it'll come up shiny. The normal lacquer that you find just in Alfords and things like that, it won't do this. You've sprayed normal lacquer on stuff before, it don't get shiny, does it, Dad?
No.
It's just, it does shine like this. This is instant like that.
It's got real depth to it, this has, hasn't it?
And this is the problem that I've had in the past when I've been to Alfords and bought paint and then just bought some lacquer that you think's going to make it shine and it don't, you can't polish it. This you can. but you have got to put it on thick. It's alright. So we'll let that dry, then we'll come back to it and polish it. We'll show you polish it in another video. Like and subscribe.